I'm here today to tell you about what we did for a customer out in the Lake Palestine area. So they had a second floor deck that they would want to look over the lake. And so we were able to add on a master bedroom suite, if you want to call it that. I think it's about 1,200 to 1,300 square feet just for the master bedroom. But that was a beautiful addition to their house. And one of the things that this addition would tie in seamlessly to their house. So when we built this, and now that we see it at the end product, we didn't want, like, it was an afterthought that this addition was added to the house. And what we went ahead and did and used log siding, which works wonderfully for this application, and it's a much cheaper alternative than what they had used on their house originally. And so we were able to tie in seamlessly into that, and you can even tell, again, just on the outside, outward appearance. And as you walk into the house, the first thing you're gonna notice is the grand 16 by 8 foot doors. It goes from end to end. And those doors were another custom option that they definitely wanted, so that as they were on their bed in the master bedroom, whether in the bedroom area or in the lounge area of their master suite, they could look over the lake and catch that reflection of the lake, that beautiful lake that it has when the sun sets and it just hits over. Again, that was not only downstairs, but there was two of these. So one downstairs, one upstairs. So the upstairs was a workout area that they had envisioned as well. And so we laid that out. Walk in, look to your left, and this massive, there's a 2-story fireplace done with river rock. And that river rock was something that, again, they envisioned. They had seen other places and they wanted that as well. That wasn't an easy task. I know, especially when working with the masons, seeing it from their side, how they're only able to go up so many feet or inches every day. And so they had to build a little bit, go up top, go up to the fireplace that was upstairs, and they would build and build. So that was really, really neat. And not only that, the mantle was a box style mantle there, and then the hearth was a floating concrete shelf there. So it was as if it was seamless. There was nothing beneath it. And so that was a beautiful piece of art that they also wanted, and we were able to do that for them. And so it's really neat to see what the customer envisions and us as a team able to make that dream come true. As we walk into that room, you look immediately to the right, and to the right there's a gorgeous live edge log staircase that we actually sourced locally. And we were able to send it over to a friend. He milled it down for us, he cut it down. We then had to bring it back over, let it go through the drying process, cut it down, plane it down. So that took a team of carpenters in itself just to prep the treads, prep the stringers, and then we delivered it over, tied it all together, and hoisted it up. So that thing probably weighed about close to 1,500 pounds. So that was quite the task with 3 guys, me being part of that team. But definitely for me, it was a lifetime experience, because there's not many times where tradesmen get to do things like this. And when they do, it kind of puts us to our limits, but we enjoy embracing a challenge. And I believe that is kind of what Clinket as a whole is. When people have a vision and they want to see it fulfilled, we want to be a part of that dream, be part of that vision, and bring that to life. And not only just bring it to life, bring it much more to life, and not only in our unique way with the quality that we can provide, but just bring it to life, and hopefully always more than what they ever expected. The walls were done, most of the walls were done in shiplap. My younger brother actually, who led that up, did the carpentry on that. And he says it was roughly about 1.5 miles worth, he did the math, about 1.5 miles worth of shiplap. So that was quite a task in itself. It went up about 27 feet to the peak. And so just laying in there, if you were just sit on the bed and just look back, it's just a grand bedroom. But Grand Lake and a house that needed something like that was grand. The bathroom, they had slate on their floors, slate going up on the walls, some pebbles in their shower, so they had a walk-in shower, and then also a stand-up tub there that they had purchased, but we were able to install that for them. A special toilet as well. This entire project, as Clinket as a whole, we were just so excited to bring this whole thing to a wrap. We want to keep, again, with what Clinket has embraced about people, and truly, we want people to know that we care about our customers and we want the best for them. We want the best quality for them. And I'm so grateful that we were able to do that for them.